I am going to London. I am so excited. My dream comes true. I pack my bag for London. I need a warm coat. I have my passport. I have my ticket. I am ready. I am at the airport. My flight is today. So exciting. I see my flight. London Heathrow. Gate 12. Yes. I wait for my flight. I drink my coffee. London soon. I am on the plane. I see the clouds below. Beautiful.
Hello. Would you like juice or water? We have both.
I watch the map. London is close now. I am so happy. I am in London. I am really here. This is amazing. I take the tube to the city. The map has many lines. This is London. I can see red buses. I love it already. Wow, my hotel is beautiful. It is big and elegant. Welcome to London. Your room is on the 3rd floor. My room is so beautiful. I can see the London rooftops. This is Big Ben. It is so tall. It is so beautiful. Wow. A red phone box. This is so British. I love London. Buckingham Palace. The Queen lives here. It is so grand. The guards are marching. Their hats are so tall. Amazing. The Tower of London is very old. It has a long history. I am on Tower Bridge. The river is below me. Wow. This is Trafalgar Square. The column is very, very tall. This statue is very old. It is from ancient Egypt. Wow. Covent Garden is so fun. A man is juggling. Amazing. Notting Hill is so colourful. The houses are pink and blue. I can see all of London. The river is below me. Wow. This is afternoon tea. Scones and cream. So very British. Hyde Park is so peaceful. I love this park so much. This is Shakespeare's Theatre. It is very old and round. Oxford Street is so busy. I buy a gift for my mum. The Shard is so tall. It shines at night. So beautiful. Dinner in London. The food is delicious. I am so happy. Camden Market is so cool. Everything here is different. From Greenwich, I see London. The view is so beautiful. St. Paul's Cathedral is so big. The dome is amazing. Borough Market has so much food. This bread smells amazing. Piccadilly Circus. The lights are so bright and colourful. I am on the Thames. The river is big and cold. I love it. A whale skeleton. It is huge. Look how big it is. It rains in London, but I have my umbrella. Kensington Palace is so elegant. The garden is beautiful. This is modern art. It is big and interesting, I think. King's Road in Chelsea. The shops are very elegant here. The sunset on the Thames is golden. London is so beautiful. A real British pub. I drink a cold beer. Very nice. The V&A Museum is so grand. Everything here is beautiful. I eat lunch by the river. The food is fresh and good. I take the tube every day now. I know the map well. Harrods is amazing. It shines like gold at night. Wow. I pack my London gifts. I am sad. I love this city. I go home now. But London is in my heart forever. I look at England below. London gave me many memories. I am home now. But I love London. I go back one day. The National Gallery has famous paintings. I love art. I sit on top of the red bus. I can see everything. This cafe is so cozy. My coffee is warm and very good. I watch football at Wembley. The crowd is so loud. Goal! I find old things on the Thames. The river has many secrets. I see a show in the West End. I love the theatre. Wow. London, I love you. I will come back. Goodbye for now.